Hello. Hi. Welcome to Read to Talk. This is a real style podcast in simple English. We speak slowly. We keep it natural. Hi, Steve. How are you today?
Hi, Luma. I'm good. And you?
I'm great. Today we will talk about sports.
Nice. I like sports.
Me too. Sports are fun, sports are healthy, and sports bring people together.
Yes. People cheer, people smile, people shout.
Exactly. Let's start with a simple question. What is your favorite sport?
I think, soccer.
Soccer is very popular. In many countries, people love soccer.
In Brazil, soccer is huge.
Yes, Brazil and soccer are like best friends.
True.
Let's use some simple words for soccer. A soccer game has a ball. It has players. It has a goal.
Ball, players, goal.
Good. A soccer field is called a field or a pitch.
Pitch.
Great. People also say soccer pitch. Now, what do players do in soccer?
They kick the ball.
Yes, they kick the ball. They pass the ball. They run. They score.
Score a goal.
Right, score a goal. Some people watch soccer at a stadium. Some people watch at home.
I watch at home with my family.
That sounds cozy. Do you eat snacks?
Yes, sometimes popcorn.
Popcorn and soccer. That's a good combo.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about other sports. Do you like basketball?
A little. I don't play much.
Basketball is fun. It is fast. In basketball, you have a ball, but you don't kick it. You bounce it.
Bounce.
Yes, you bounce the ball. You dribble the ball.
Dribble.
Great word. In basketball, players try to score too, but they score by putting the ball in the basket.
Basket.
The basket is also called a hoop.
Hoop.
Good, Steve. Now, soccer has a goal. Basketball has a hoop. What about volleyball?
Volleyball's cool. I played it in school.
Nice. Volleyball has a net.
Net.
Yes, you hit the ball over the net. You can serve the ball.
Serve.
Some sports are played in water, like swimming.
Swimming is hard.
It can be hard, yes, but it is great exercise. In swimming, you don't need a ball, you need a pool. And you need strong arms.
Strong arms, strong legs.
Exactly.
Luma, can we talk about a sport that is different?
Yes, that's perfect. Today, I also want to include a sport that many people hear about but do not know well.
Which sport?
Cricket.
Cricket. I know the word, but I don't understand the game.
No problem. We will keep it simple. Cricket is a popular sport in many countries. People love cricket in India, England, Australia, Pakistan, and more.
Interesting.
Cricket uses a bat and a ball.
Like baseball.
Yes, it can feel similar, but the rules are different. In cricket, one player throws the ball. This player is called a bowler.
Bowler.
The bowler throws the ball toward another player. That player tries to hit the ball with a bat. That player is called a batter.
Batter.
Great. So we have bowler and batter.
Bowler throws, batter hits.
Exactly. Now, in cricket, there are two sets of sticks behind the batter. These sticks are called wickets.
Wickets.
Yes, wickets. The bowler tries to hit the wickets with the ball.
So the bowler wants to break the wickets.
Yes, that's a good way to say it. The batter wants to protect the wickets and hit the ball.
Okay.
Cricket is played on a big grass field. In the center, there is a strip called the pitch.
Pitch again.
Yes, in soccer, pitch can mean the field. In cricket, the pitch is a special area in the middle.
I see.
Yes, people cheer a lot for that.
I would cheer too.
Haha. Oh, Steve, cricket has a special word. Over.
Over.
An over is a set of deliveries. The bowler throws the ball a certain number of times. That group is 1 over.
So the game has many overs.
Yes, depending on the type of match. Some matches are short. Some matches are long.
How long?
Some can be a few hours. Some can be a full day. And some famous matches can last several days.
Several days? Wow.
Yes, that is one reason cricket feels very different. People can watch it like a long story.
Like a sports movie, but real.
Exactly. There are some differences between them. Soccer, you kick a ball into a goal. Basketball, you bounce a ball and score in a hoop. Cricket, you hit a ball with a bat, protect wickets, and score runs.
That helps. Clear.
Good. What about baseball? Do you watch baseball?
Not much.
Baseball and cricket also use bat and ball, but in baseball you run around bases, and in cricket you run between 2 points.
Similar idea, but different style.
Exactly. Steve, can I learn some simple sports phrases?
Yes, let's do it.
Here are a few easy ones. I like sports.
I like sports.
My favorite sport is soccer.
My favorite sport is soccer.
I play volleyball.
I play volleyball.
I watch basketball.
I watch basketball.
I don't understand cricket yet,
I don't understand cricket yet,
but I want to learn.
but I want to learn.
Perfect.
This feels useful, simple, and real.
Nice.
That's a lot, but it is clear.
Yes, clear is better than fast, and you can listen again later.
I will.
Now I want to ask you something fun. If you could try a new sport this month, which sport would you choose?
Maybe cricket, because it is new for me.
I love that choice. What do you think would be hard?
The rules and the wickets.
Yes, the rules can feel big at first, but you can learn slowly.
That sounds good.
And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand a little more each time.
Like step by step.
Exactly, step by step. Before we end, one more question. Why do people love sports?
Because it is exciting, because we feel part of a team.
Beautiful answer. Sports are exciting. Sports make memories. Sports help our bodies. Sports help our minds.
And sports help our English too.
Yes, sports help our English because we learn real words. We learn real conversations. Thank you for listening to Read to Talk.
Comment one thing. What sports do you like?
Yes.
Thank you, Luma.
You're welcome, Steve. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.